Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a site and overlays. So if we pop to Sites page, and if we access Site Settings from here, so you have the option of creating a site through uploading a KML file, a shape file, or using the Add Site function, which will allow you to draw a polygon on a map, which is this function we're going to use for this video. So if we find a place on the map you want to draw on, I'll use this woodland here. So click the polygon icon here and then simply start dropping your points on the map. And there we go. That has created a boundary for your site now. So if you click to finish, you can then name that site. And that has created your site now. So if you go back on here and close this, and if we just log out and log back in, that has now created our site. So there we go, we can see the boundary that I've created there. And if we want to add an overlay to this, go back to site settings. And go to this button here, add overlay. Now same again, we're going to have the polygon tool to draw this. So we can just pop those pins there, section this piece off, create an overlay there. So click to finish. Done. And if we close that, close this, sign out and sign back in again, just to upload that information to the databases. We can now view that overlay in there. There we go. That is how you create a site and create an overlay